If you want to play split screen in Marvel Rivals, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play, use the split screen app, and that will allow you to basically watch videos, browsing a social network, right? Or two webcasts at the same time if you're watching live stream, whatever, or watch the news and share with friends, or landscape mode when you can turn your video upside down or turn it to the left or to the right, and then you're gonna be able to basically play and then watch or browse social media at the same time. So this app can help you out with multitasking while playing a game or browsing social media or even live streaming. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.